So hey my lovelies, today I'm coming at you guys with actually a highly requested video. You guys have been asking for a wash routine for my hair for the longest, so I'm finally gonna do it because I just took my faux locks out and it's time to wash my hair. And I usually typically give my hair a break for about a week or 2 days before I install my next faux locks, so I'm gonna get right into it. I partnered up with Pantene for this video. I actually used this moisture boost shampoo before in the past multiple times, but today I'm actually using the Intense Rescue Shots for the first time ever. So let me just tell you a little bit about these. These rescue shots pretty much are supposed to intensely repair damaged hair, and they're imported from Brazil. So these are not available until January 2019, but I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, so the obvious first step is I need to thoroughly saturate my hair with water, and then I'm just gonna go in with the Moisture Boost shampoo, and I take a heaping amount, as you can see, because I typically only like to wash my hair with shampoo one time, just because I don't have a lot of product buildup when I take my faux locks out, just because they've just been in that style for so long. So as you can see, this stuff lathers really well, so that's why I feel one wash is enough for me. But again, it's preference. You could do it 2 to 3 times, whatever your hair is comfortable with. But for me, since I know it's not extremely dirty, I'm just gonna do it this one time. And yeah, when I'm washing my hair, I make sure to also massage my scalp as I'm doing it. It's stimulating your hair follicles, which promotes, healthy hair growth and things like that. So I make sure to massage all around my head, but I concentrate on my temples, the back of my hair, anywhere that tends to thin very easily for me. I tend to massage those a little bit longer. But once you do that, of course, you just go ahead and rinse your hair. And as I rinse out shampoo, I like to squeeze my twists out because it gets any leftover shampoo out, of course. Now I'm going in with the Intense shots. And as you can see, this formula is super thick, which I love for any type of deep conditioning. Now, you could actually skip the conditioning process and just go straight to the rescue shot, so that's what I did today. And I just put it on my hair, and I kid you guys not, like instantly my hair felt very soft. It was like butter soft. And for anybody wondering, I typically put my twists in first. My hair is already detangled because I just find that my hair can just stay detangled this way by having twists prior to actually putting water on it. So my hair is technically already detangled. So again, with the Intense Rescue Shots, I'm also massaging this in my scalp as well, and just basically putting the product from root to tip. So definitely concentrate on those ends as well. Now, the good thing about this product is you only have to keep it on for 30 seconds, and then you just spend 30 seconds rinsing it out, and that's it. So I'm gonna shower now. I actually really enjoyed these Intense shots because, as you can see, the moisture on my twists is amazing. The bounce back always shows that your hair is nicely moisturized. And that was pretty much it. It's a super quick wash routine. Check the description box below to see how you can get your own Intense Rescue shots. If you're interested in how I style my hair in between my faux locks, stay tuned for my next video. Have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is, and I'll see you later.